Track 5001, go ahead.
We're at Mandatory 14, and just derailed.
Track 5001, hold position, reback.
Track 5001, hold position.
Track 5001, reback incorrect at 0401. Is there any damage to any equipment or any injuries?
Negative.
Track 5001, what track were you on?
82 track. As you can see, track 5001, we show clear the A-line blanket, currently established under Category B.
Track 5001, I understand you're currently transitioning to Category B work orders. Track 5001 will show you clear of your A-line blanket at 0424.
Cowbell in hand, fins are garbage, TVMs are all working. Have a wonderful delayed Thursday.
Yes, serious delays. Apparently there's a derailment at Bayfair. But thank you. Good morning.
Track 5001, Central. Go ahead.
Are you going to take the work orders?
1 second.
Yeah. How many people do you have?
This is a message from Bart Operations. There are personnel reset at 2 locations. All tracks A55 interlocking and A57 interlocking.
Track 5001. Work all tracks A55, A57 interlocking. Category B till 0600 hours reback.
Unfortunately,
You can go ahead and clear the blanket. 305, you said you're on 1?
A5 on 1.
229 Old South Hayward reback. Reback correct 0447. I'm going to put you on the 1 track at South Hayward. 107's over on the 2 side. Right now, 855, 857 is closed down. 109, you're going to have to stay in the yard for now. I have no place to put you. We have no service between Hayward and San Leandro. Yeah, they're not per name. This is for track 5001. So if you're both operators on that machine, then you both have them.
thank you.
And you have an estimate?
Probably 20, 30 minutes.